In this video, I show you how to fix TikTok service not available. Our service are not available in your country or region. Close app, open setting problem. For fixing this problem, just go to Play Store or App Store. Now search for VPN. Now install any VPN. If tap on install, then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now find out Instagram, TikTok app. Then tap on TikTok. Then force stop. Then storage and cache. Clear the storage. Then delete. Now open install VPN. Accept. Now click on cross. Now click on location. Select location without USA. You can select France, UK, China. Also you can select auto select. Then OK. Now open your TikTok app. Agree. Allow permission. Skip. Now I hope that this method fix service not available. Our service are not available in your country or region problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.